What up, Steven with Outlier, man? Kicking it. 50 Blizzards TV. This shit is making me cold.
Fifty Blizzards TV, man. Right now we're about to go segment 2, segment dos to Yo Tepego's
running the first, second, third, slide home plate.
So we got here the Yo Tepego's crib, man. Come on, man. Let's go up in this motherfucker, man. You already know. Shit, though. I'm gonna do this right, man.
Yeah, the kids are ready here.
What's up, man?
What you be?
What's up, man? What you doing, man?
Sorry about the mess. You know what I mean?
What mess, man? It's only seen from chest up, man. Don't worry about the shit in the bottom. What's up with the snaps, man?
What's up with them?
Bust those things out, man. Bust that roar out, man. About to fucking bail out, finally. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, let's roll. Lives in the hills and shit.
You're likely to run across 3 types of passenger on the Titanic. You'll run across a type that's basically deer in the headlights. Ship's been hit. What does that mean? What do I do? I don't know what to do. I don't know where to go. Should I do that? I don't know. That's one group. There's another group that says, we get that the ship's going to sink. We get that we're all going to die unless we make some lifeboats and do it fast. Show us what to do. And then you have a third group that says, this is the Titanic. It's absolutely unsinkable. Unfucking sinkable.
Oh shit, man. So, man, what do you know about the commando beat, B?
Yo, what up? Flights 1, AYO SUN crew, artisanrep.com. You're watching 50 Blizz TV.
Yo, what up? This Big Mosk coming at you live. Watching 50 Blizzards TV. Coming at you, homie.